Hi, my name is Ryan. I heard about Dr. Cienski from a friend of mine. I had broken my neck in the military and had some major pain. I was hardly functioning most of the day. I'm a contractor, so it's very difficult on me. After meeting Dr. Cienski, he explained what was going on with me, how he's going to fix me, and I've been seeing him for about a year now, and things have totally turned around. My body's taken a 180, and I feel so much better. I'm able to do my job. I'm able to function. I couldn't recommend Dr. Cienski anymore. So thank you.